Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden on Tech. Today I have a video how can you make the DMX male port to AUX or iPhone cable. So here I have a AUX iPhone cable. You can see this cable you can find any shop and you have to buy this cable. And now I will make this two port for DMX male port for the mixer connection AUX cable. So first of all I have to cut this cable. Okay, now I will put inside this jack this two cable. I have to put it inside this cable together. Okay, now here is the plastic I put inside the cable. Inside this plastic I have to open the cable. Okay, here is 4 cable inside. This 2 for data and 2 for negative positive. Here is also 2 for data and 2 for negative positive. So guys, here is 4 cable, this plus, this minus, this 2 for data. So I will connect with the red and white, okay, together, and also here the red and white together. Okay, and I will cut this green color cable, so no need this green color. And here is the negative with black together. Okay, and these 4 cable I connect with together. So now here inside the jack you can see here is the number 1, number 3, number 2. So number 1 I will connect the negative, and also number 3, this 2 connection I will make together negative, and this connection number 2 I will put this all this red and white color I will connect connection 2. So you need first solder iron. Okay, now I will solder this cable. And cut this extra cable. So here is the number 2. First one I will connect number 2 connection. This is number 2 in the downside. Then I will connect the number 1 and 3. Okay. And I will join with 3 this cable, or you can join extra cable. So I will connect this with this one. Okay, so you can see the connection 1 and 3 together, this negative, and 2 for all the positive connection, the red and white color. So now I will return back this inside this steel. Okay, now return back this cover. And this connection will be work 100% good, inshallah. So guys, it's almost done. To TMX XLR mail to AUX mail and iPhone jet. You can see also I made this one working perfectly. So this one also working very good. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon for next video notification.